It's Officer.
Oh, this shit is whack, homeboy.
Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
Your hood's all messed up, huh?
Still some swell jobs.
It's the real deal.
Have you gone to all?
You have no clue of what me and my homie Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that, like this and it's like that, like this and like that and it's like
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
One of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
Hey, slow down. Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling. Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies. Don't block me, homie. Nice try. Man, I know this cat. Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Wow, what the?
Man, you're on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies. Wait, man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Grove Street going down.
Oh, ninja these motherfuckers.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
Don't touch me, asshole.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, it's just basking in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.